Before installation, first, remove the battery. Use a 5mm Allen wrench to remove the saddle. Disconnect the Hall connector and phase wire connectors.
Cut off the securing cable tie. Use a chain breaker to remove the chain.
Use a 5mm Allen wrench to remove the rear brake.
Use a 5mm Allen wrench and an adjustable wrench to remove the rear wheel. First, press the cable inward, then remove the rear wheel outward.
Use a 5mm Allen wrench to remove the fender.
Cut off the securing cable tie and pull back the brake cable to extend its length. Install the track. Battery bar. Installation. Rear shock absorber installation. Adjustable wrench. Through axle. Cable tie.
2 5mm Allen wrenches and 1 4mm Allen wrench. Note: the GT73 track shock absorber must be installed in the upper mounting holes. Use a 5mm Allen wrench to tighten the screws. Install, as demonstrated in the video.
Use a 4mm Allen wrench to install the battery bar.
Use a 5mm Allen wrench to tighten the screws. Use a 5mm Allen wrench to install and adjust the brake. Squeeze the rear brake lever tightly to align the brake caliper properly, then tighten the brake caliper mounting bolts. Organize and secure the wires and cables with cable ties. Hall adapter wire and junction box.
Twist the corresponding colored phase wires of the track motor and adapter wires together on the same terminal of the universal junction box. Then plug the phase wires and the Hall connector of the adapter wires into the controller.
Secure the brake cables and hoses with cable ties.
Install the battery to test if the track wheel is functioning properly.
Install the saddle and tighten the screws alternately.
Use a 4mm Allen wrench and an 8mm Allen wrench to remove the front wheel. Use a 3 mm Allen wrench to remove the front fork decorative panel. Install the sledge. Sledge. 4 mm, 5 mm, and 8 mm Allen wrenches, an adjustable wrench, and a through axle.
Use 8 mm and 4 mm Allen wrenches to tighten the screws.
Use a 5 mm Allen wrench and an adjustable wrench to tighten the screws alternately.
Use a 5 mm Allen wrench to install. Attention! For the GT73 Sledge shock absorber mounting holes, adjust to the second position for installation.